Welcome to Aikyam, a spiritual journey towards oneness. We will see the meaning of each slokas from chapter 1. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Prathamodhyayah Arjuna Vishada Yogaha धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjay? Dhritarashtra said, "What did my sons and the son of Pandu do as they assembled in the Kurukshetra war? Are they ready to fight?" That's what the sloka of first chapter starts. Why he is asking Sanjaya like that? Because Bhishma was laid down with the arrow bed on the 10th day of Kurukshetra war. After hearing the news, Dhritarashtra wants to know the first each and every moment from the first day itself. That's what he is asking Sanjaya like that. Sanjaya uvacha drishtva tu pandavanīkam vyudhan duryodhanastada acharyamupasangamya raja vachanamabravīt. Sanjaya said, after seeing the battle formation of the Pandavas army, Prince Duryodhana approached his guru and spoke the following words. Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya च मूं व्यूढान् Drupada तव शिष्येन धीमताम्. Now, Duryodhana was telling that, "O master, look at the strength of Pandavas' military formation, which has been arranged by your disciple Drupada's son, that is Drishtadyumnan. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः." Now Duryodhana was listing about all the warriors that was present in the Pandavas army. The Pandavas army has heroes like Bhima and Arjuna, and the warriors like Yuyudhana, Virata, and Drupada. धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैब्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः. There are also the heroic fighters like Drishtaketu, Chekitana, Kashiraja, Purujit, Kuntibhoja, and Shaibya. युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः. The mighty Yudhamanyu and the courageous Uttamauja, the son of Subhadra and the son of Draupadi, and all other great warriors are present in the Pandavas army. Like that, Duryodhana was telling all this listing to his guru. अस्माकन्तु विशिष्टाये तान् निबोधद्विजोत्तमा नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते. Now let me tell you about the distinguished members and leaders of my army. My army means Duryodhana's army. He is listing out all his army right now from the slokas 8. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च. We have the personalities like Bhishma, Karna, Kripa, Ashwathama, Vikarna, and Purushrava, the son of Somadatta, who are always having the victory in the battlefield. अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. The army has the other heroes who will always ready to lay down their lives for my sake, and all equipped with the various weapons, and they are well versed in the military science. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं पर्याप्तं त्विदमे तेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्. Our strength is immense and is guarded by Bhishma, whereas their force guarded by Bhima is limited. He is telling here Bhima instead of Drishtadyumnan, because Drishtadyumnan only leading the army of Pandavas. Now Bhishma is now Pitamaha Bhishma is leading the army of Kauravas. Now in the fear after seeing Bhima, now his words were misplaced and he told that instead of Drishtadyumna, he told Bhima here. Okay, that's what the sloka says. अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. All of you must give your utmost support to Bhishma throughout the battle. He is instructing all other kings who are assembled in the battlefield. तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरु वृद्धः पितामहः सिंहनादौ विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दद्मौ प्रतापवान्. After the little bit anxiety of Duryodhana, now Pitamaha wants to console him. He wants to give the confidence to him. That's what Bhishma, the Kuru dynasty, blow his conch in the high note that sounding like a roar of the lion, bringing the immense joy to Duryodhana. ततः शङ्खाश्च भैर्यश्च पनवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत्. After that, Kuru dynasty conches, drums, cymbals, and buglers, and all are sounded together, and it was roaring sound that was in the very high pitch. ततश्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ pradadmatuhu. On the other side, Lord Krishna and Arjuna, standing on a great swift chariot drawn by white horses, blow their divine conch shells. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshah Devadattan Dhananjayah Poundran Dadmau Mahashankham Bhimakarma Vrikodaraha. Lord Krishna blows his conch Panchajanya, Arjuna blows his conch Devadatta, and the Bhima, the voracious eater and achiever of the great task, he is having a great conch, that Poundra.